This week, well done up. Here's the Intense 5. Nomination Day. Apart from the crowds and the people not wearing masks, there were quite a few women who were very scantily clad. Then there was the dog they painted green. They washed him off after though. Rambo is good to go.
The girl ever wear them party clothes. Got a little nomination to rally them.
Of course, we're not gonna Wales.
Bounty versus Vegas. Bounty got a bit cross, hungry, and miserable on IG this week, and it was all directed at Mr. Vegas. Thanks.
Barack Obama released his summer playlist, and guess who's on it? Coffee, Poppy, and of course the legendary Bob.
You mash up my life. You mash up my life. You mash up my life. Nico, you mash up my life. You mash up my life. You mash up my life.
Nico! Here we go.
Nico!
I don't even know what to say about this song, but everyone is singing it. Amari at first said it was for Gully Bop, then she said it wasn't. Not too sure what's going on, but the song is getting a lot of focus.
She said it's nominated for a Grammy.
Oh, wow, okay,
Yeah.
girl.
And finally holding the spot, she finally admitted it. Megan Thee Stallion admitted to being shot by Tory Lanez. She said she was walking away from the argument when he jumped out of the car and shot her. That is crazy.
That's actually insane.
Yeah. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for an update on all things entertainment.